How to use Snapchat AI. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So Snapchat AI is a chat bot in Snapchat chats area using AI like ChatGPT. You can use it to ask questions, chat, or get suggestions, and try out AI talks as well. This is a Snapchat AI, which is my AI. If you tap on this, you can go ahead and start a conversation with it. You can type in any message that you want and then tap on send, and it will reply you instantly. And at the top of the chat, you can go ahead and customize their personality and their name as well. You can go ahead and change the wallpaper, chat color, and use many other features that are available. The AI chat will reply right away like a normal chat. And you can ask for jokes, help with the homework or writing, or just chat. And if you don't see My AI, it might not be available for your country yet. You can pin My AI or clear your chat within the chat settings. And in the case if you want to pin them, you can go ahead and tap and hold on to this chat. Go to chat and notification settings and tap on pin conversation and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching.